what's going on? Welcome back to Kegon's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this easy Polynesian chicken recipe. So here are the ingredients for today's recipe. I have some chicken, it's already cleaned and washed, Polynesian sauce, hoisin sauce. I have my fresh veggies right here, green onion, red onion, carrot, bell peppers, a little bit of rosemary, some thyme, and I have some potatoes over here. This is already cut and washed as well. Creole seasoning, Szechuan seasoning, some paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. In the back I have some water, 4 cups of water, and some cooking oil. So we're just gonna jump right into the video, guys, and get started. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off by seasoning our chicken. So we're gonna add a little bit of Szechuan seasoning, not too much, about a tablespoon, some garlic powder, about a teaspoon of that, about a teaspoon of onion powder, smoked paprika, about a teaspoon as well, not too much. We're just gonna use this to add some smoky flavor and some color. Now we're gonna add our Creole seasoning. All right, this is a little bit salty, so you have to be careful when you're adding your Creole seasoning. So we're just gonna add a tablespoon of this. We're not gonna add too much. All right, then we're just gonna set our seasoning aside and then continue to season the chicken. So we're just gonna rub it in, make sure everything is, evenly coated, everything is seasoned, nicely seasoned. And then we're just gonna let this marinate for about 30 minutes, guys. After we let it sit for 30 minutes, then we're gonna add some oil to the pan, fry the chicken a little bit, and then we're gonna add some other ingredients like the veggies and all that good stuff. All right, so we're just gonna let this sit for 30 minutes. All right, guys, so we're gonna add some cooking oil. About 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. And then we're gonna add our chicken. All right, we're gonna fry it up, sear it on both sides for about 2 minutes each. You hear that sizzle? That's what you're looking for. All right, guys, so we're gonna fry this, like I said, sear it on both sides for about 2 minutes each, and then we're gonna add the remaining amount of chicken, and then we're gonna add our veggies, saute everything together, add some water, cook it down for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna add our sauce, our Polynesian sauce, a little bit of hoisin sauce, about a tablespoon, and then it's gonna be perfect. So continue to watch the video, guys, and don't go anywhere. All right, guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and flip my chicken. Flip it over. Just like that. All right, guys, so now we're gonna add our veggies, all right? And now you just want to stir everything together, mix it together. It's already smelling good. Add your potatoes. Mix it up. And now we're gonna add 4 cups of water. Alright, guys, so now we're just gonna close the lid, and we're gonna cook our chicken for about 20 minutes. After you cook it for 20 minutes, then we're gonna add our Polynesian sauce and our hoisin sauce, and then we should be good to go. So just continue to watch the video. And And by the way, guys, it's on high heat right now. So like I said, 20 minutes, cook it for 20 minutes, and then we'll add our other ingredients. All right, guys, so it's been 20 minutes since, I've been cooking my chicken. So now I'm gonna add some hoisin sauce. All right, that is it. So we're just gonna add about a tablespoon of the hoisin sauce. Stir it up. And this is gonna add a nice, salty flavor with a little bit of sweetness to our Polynesian chicken. And now I'm just gonna add a half bottle of this Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce. And then we're just gonna cook our chicken for about 15 more minutes. So once we cook it for that 15 more minutes, the sauce is gonna be nice and thick, the gravy, nice and thick. All right, so that's it. I just went ahead and added a half bottle. All right. So now I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit. Stir it up. I'm gonna give you all a close-up look of how it is right now. Just give me a second, Yeah, man. All right, guys, so come over here. So this is it right now. So we're gonna cook this for about 15 more minutes, and then we should be good to go. The sauce is gonna be nice and thick, the flavor and everything, turn up. It's gonna be so good, guys. So just continue to watch the video, guys. Yes, guys, so this is the chicken after about cooking it for 35 minutes. The total time is 35 minutes. Like I said, you wanna cook it for 20 minutes at first after you had the water, the initial steam. And then after you add the sauce, cook it for another 15 minutes. Come on, the sauce is nice and thick. It smells so good right now. Time for that, taste this. Alright? Yeah, man. All right, guys, time for that taste test, Yeah, man. Look at all that steam. So juicy. Ooh, is that?